GroovePages is the world's #1 website, page, and funnel builder. This is because it's simple and easy to use. There's no HTML, coding, or design skills required. You simply drag and drop the elements that you want to be on the page. Even easier, you could simply use one of the tons of templates that we have professionally designed so you can have a beautiful website ready to go. We even include advanced conversion elements that work in both desktop and mobile to help you ensure that you get results you need. And the best part is you can get started for absolutely free at Groove.cm. The best way to learn how to use this is to watch it in action. Here, I'm pulling in a menu bar, adding in a countdown timer with a button, and I'm linking that button to a pop-up that'll have a form. Alternatively, I could start by picking a template, select an element, and look for the pencil icon, and then use the options in the sidebar to customize that element to exactly how I see fit. It's as simple as click and go. For more elaborate tutorials, you can check out our YouTube channel, youtube.com/GrooveDigital, and navigate to the playlists area to find walkthroughs on using GroovePages. Get started today at Groove.cm.